On March 21, 2025, Flagler deputies tracked shooting suspect Levon Coakley from Lake County to Palm Coast. When they attempted a felony stop, Coakley fled, sparking a dangerous police chase.
Get out of the vehicle. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up right now. Drop your phone. Drop your phone. Drop your phone. Face away from me. Walk back slowly to my voice. Face away from me. Face away from me. Walk back slowly to my voice. Walk back slowly to my voice. He's getting in his vehicle. He's fleeing.
Suspect is hopping back in the vehicle. Looks like to flee. Flavor 16, I got the Lucy thing on it.
Which way? We need to clear this car.
Go to this side.
You guys clear it. I can't see with the airbags. We're good. Let's move back and we'll wait for K9.
So we got a perimeter stop on the car. If anybody get on the other side, kind of rock it down. Opposite lane, guys, going the wrong direction.
Traffic 12 Flagler.
Traffic 12.
I just rolled up on a signal 4. Seminole Woods and Eula turn.
Stay with.
You okay?
Not really. I like to get 911 over here and see what's
I'm a deputy sheriff.
Yeah, okay.
What happened?
The guy that y'all were chasing,
Okay.
he was coming behind me so damn fast. I was in the left lane. I was going right.
Right.
He went, as soon as I started going right, he went over in that lane. So I went left hard to avoid. I mean, it was probably doing 100 miles down
Right,
here.
right.
I took a hard left to avoid smacking into him sideways. Lost control, and this is where I ended up at.
Okay.
And I'm hurting in my back. I don't know what's going on.
So you were
with
trying
her.
to get out of his way? And
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay.
Officer, I have
And then I lost it.
Do you?
Yeah.
In that truck?
Oh yeah, he's got.
Okay.
I drove
I
into the
got
grass.
that
I
camera,
right
see if
off.
anything's on there. I don't
Got
know.
me
Let's
into the
wreck
road.
it.
Well, the one time.
On the
Okay.
curb
So
right there.
basically, what he was doing, I was going over where he, and then he decided to go over.
Are you injured, or can you help?
She's the one I'm worried about. My back hurts, my neck's a little bit, but I feel okay so far. With the footprint, we just sideways, turned sideways into the.
I was the car
I
that
believe so.
I gotta get out.
I'm not waiting for the.
Start.
Traffic 12 Flagler.
Relax.
Traffic 12.
If you haven't already started EMS My Way, can you start My Way code 3 reference checking out the subjects in the car? Got 2 patients.
Yes, sir.
Confirming you're at the Seminole Woods and Selma, I believe.
It's Seminole Woods and Eula turn. It's going to be just north of Eula turn.
You're actually in the middle. You're in the middle between both of them.
And I'll have the left inside lane shut down.
for what it's worth, I was a car. By signing,
Okay.
I was driving a little slower.
Okay.
And he come around, he was driving speed. and he comes on around me, and a car comes flying up there, and there was hardly any room at all between him and me.
Right.
But this other guy went and squeezed in there, and he swerved out of the way to keep getting run over.
We're okay. So we keep on moving on. So
But it's
So
but he was flying. We all
Right.
know that. And, but he did all the
If you want to take down my number,
Yeah,
I'll send it to you by email.
I'm
I had to do
gonna
it
give you my
before.
card so you can email it to me.
Yeah, I'll email it to you tonight.
Can you get to me sooner, possibly?
I
maybe?
can try. I gotta go home. I have to download it to my
Okay.
computer and
All
send it to you.
right, perfect.
Because it's on a hard drive. I can
I've
get
got
it to you.
Let me talk to you in just a minute. Which you said you were in the box truck, right? Or
No,
this car?
I'm in that car.
That car, okay.
Yeah, he almost hit me, and then I just happened to pull out there, and I saw the. Yeah.
All right. And which car are you in? This one?
I'm in here, and I also have a camera.
So
I
you
don't
have
know.
a camera,
They happen so close. The cameraman had picked it up though.
Okay.
I don't know. I was behind. Mine definitely picked it up.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's,
All right. You're go ahead. You're good to go. I appreciate you stopping. I'm going to get his camera and I'll get his statement. I really don't need multiple.
okay, let me just run ahead. I want to give you my card.
Yeah, of course. Just stay in the car until the paramedics get here.
I'm feeling okay. I know my back's
I just don't. I wanted to check y'all out before, because I mean, did y'all roll over or just skid out?
No, we got smacked sideways and then back down.
Did he actually hit you or
No, that's the whole thing. Like I said, I'm driving. I passed that gentleman, and then when I seen the black car in my rearview mirror hauling, I mean, he was hauling ass. I said, let me move over into the right lane, let this guy pass me. As soon as I started going in the right lane, he went into the right lane, and
I'll give you a call here in a little bit, and we'll get it that way. I can.
If you were behind me, then you got a better view than I did.
I guarantee it, because I was in the left lane.
Yeah.
I saw the first sheriff go by, him zoom by, the first sheriff go by, and then I pulled out, and then I looked behind me, I saw more lights behind me, back over.
Because it happened so close to me, my camera may not, I'll find out when I get home. It may not have picked up on it. But
Yeah, just let me. I'll give you a call here in probably not about an hour after I get all this cleared up and see what you got. Appreciate you stopping.
I gotta stand.
Yeah. You're fine. You're fine.
I know my donations are out in the middle of everywhere. Never seen this before in my life. Looking for my glass of water.
Let's say if when you can gather yourself, try to find your license, registration, and
I got
insurance for
everything,
me.
no problem.
Do me a favor. Just write down your first, middle, and last name, and your date of birth, and your contact phone number for me. You live locally?
Yeah, the S section. You go, boss man.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, absolutely. I don't want to be hit, so I'll get my stuff out of here.
You got your. All right. So real quick, what did you see happen?
He's zooming past me, and then like he said,
which lane were you in?
I was in the left lane.
So you were in this lane.
Yes.
Okay. And then he come the car that they were.
Yeah, I pulled out of Sesame.
Okay.
Sesame.
Okay.
And no one was coming when I came. That's how fast he was going. And I pulled into the right lane, and the next thing I knew, he blew past my doors, and he almost ran into the grass.
Okay.
And then I saw a cop go by. I was like, well, that's a police chase. And anyway, I came up on the car. I was going really slow, and I moved over, moved back, and then there was like 5 cops behind me.
Okay.
So during that time that I was in that left lane is when this happened.
And which lane was he in when you saw this?
I didn't see what lane he was in. I just saw him spinning.
Okay. All right. You just saw him start going like
Guy
sideways.
was in the left lane, the black car, that color.
yeah.
He was in the left lane the entire way.
Yeah.
He ran into the grass at some point, and then he was back over the left lane.
Which lane were you in? When all
Okay, this is how we're going down the road. That gentleman that you talked to over there, I went around him. He was doing like 50.
Okay.
So I said, all right, let me go left lane. And then as soon as I got in the left lane past him, this black car's on my ass. And I said, okay, let me move right. He saw a gap on the right. So we're both going to the right lane. As soon as I seen he was flying and coming down, I'm going to go hit him on the right side. I went left, and this is how I ended up. Here's
No, this is just
young lady.
one.
Did this just happen?
So it probably looked like 5 vehicles when they called it in. It's just the one. There was a bunch of witnesses.
I just want to make sure we're at the right call because we got 5 vehicles, 2 patients.
No,
This is two patients. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay, I got it.
Yeah, it wasn't 5 cars. It's just one.
I'm gonna get out of here because I'm almost
Yeah,
traffic.
you're good. I appreciate you.
Yeah.
I'll give you a call if I need it.
Sure you don't have any injuries or anything? You're okay?
I'm feeling okay. I got a bad back to start with. My upper shoulder, where my middle of my back is, but I'm not concerned about me. It's my wife I'm concerned.
Traffic 12 later.
My dog.
I'm moving to you guys. Moving to you guys.
Do not move your hands at all.
I'm going less lethal. I have less lethal.
Do not move. You understand? Tell me you understand. All right. When I give you instructions, you're going to follow them closely. Do you understand me? Nod your head. Slowly start crawling towards me, the front of this vehicle. Do not make any sudden movements. If you reach towards anything, we will take it as a hostile movement. Do you understand that? Keep crawling. All right. St. John's has hands. You got left. Keep your hands out in front of you. Keep crawling.
St. John's, I'll approach with you with less lethal, alright? Keep coming.
Keep crawling.
We'll stop right there. Let's go. Let's go. Hands. Need hands, St. John's.
Do not move. Only one, right? Outstanding.
There was a bulge on his back. I don't know what it was.
Coakley faces multiple local charges, including fleeing and eluding, resisting arrest without violence, reckless driving, and failure to stop at a crash involving injury. He was taken to a hospital for medical clearance before being booked into the Sheriff Perry Hall inmate detention facility, where he is being held without bond.